Hey, good morning, everyone. Agenda behind today's meet is to discuss about a product developed by Axiom called as Service on Click. This product is web-based solution. At the same time, it is available in the app version as well. The title of the product itself conveys you that all the possible services, right from the plumbing to electricity, if you need the foods from the market, like the PT services, like okay, where in a day-to-day life we'll be needing. For example, you will be traveling on the roads, and at the same time your bike get punctured or some uh, technical mechanical issues arises. The question comes to us that to whom to contact to, or how I'll get this service faster, easily available at that at that particular location, right? So to address these all the issues, service on click have a solution. The motive of this product is, in day-to-day life we get many challenges and we need a support system, technically, physically, to manage, handle that issue, and to find out the labor for it, find out the expertise for it. It's very tough for us. We'll call here and there, we'll ask for the consultations, and many times it takes a lot of time, and because of the urgency, right? If you may need to pay more also, and you have to bargain a lot sometimes, and like they understand that now you are in a trouble, you need a solution in a quicker. So there are more chances that you have to pay more as well. So what is the solution of this, right? So what service on click is, that all the service providers, the small service provider, maybe offering the plumbing services, maybe offering the electricity maintenance service, or it may be offering any fruit selling, or and the services extent, like in any kind of service they are providing, individual or a company. It's also the bike repairing services, you may car washing services, or, and as I said, like any kind of services, you will find these kind of service providers available everywhere else. They are they are operating in small in nature. They have their own local uh, consumer base, but they also need a support. They also need a platform to expand their horizon, to provide their services and earn more revenue from it. There they need the technical support, right? So that the calls can be diverted to them. Their expertise need to be like spread up in the in the different consumer base, and user point of view. If you need any kind of assistance and service, it will be available there and there only, and you can pay online, right? So the time you can save, the money you can save, because the platform of service on click will be uh, authenticated platform, will do the needful for you regarding the bargaining. There is no bargaining, something like okay, if any arbitrary occurs happens in case of the financial deals, then administrator of uh, service on click will take a role, because there is a legal contract between the service providers and the uh, administration of service on click. I'll give you the scenario how it works. If I'm a service provider, it is obvious that I need to create my own page, own profile on the service on click, and need to be authenticated by the administrator, and then only I can be available on the platform as a service provider. I'll be providing the details whether I'll be available, my services are available on particular location, or I'm able to uh, able to provide the service anywhere else, right? So that preferences are there. So location depends on the type of services I am providing. So in this manner, there is a vast service provider database is available with the service on click, because as a service provider, as I told you, I want to expand my business to find out the new consumer base, and it's all tech savvy sort of things. One can just it's a consumer is a call away, and I'll able to get a more consumer base by using this platform. User point of view, I just need to register, and just like whatever the services I want to avail, right? So it's a OTP comes to your phones for the authentications, and I just need to search for the service. That's it. The call goes to the nearby service. The main logic behind is that once I post a job, once I post for a service, the notification goes to the nearby service providers. By their ratings and reviews, I can able to list them out. Whichever the service provider accept the job or the that particular issue, the call goes to him. Then the user and the service providers can have a talk, negotiate on the payments, right? And then once the job get done over there, the financial transactions need to be done through the payment gateway integrated in the platform. It is obvious certain percentage of transaction money goes to the administrator, but he deserved that kind of commission out of it because of the authenticated services provided. No negotiations, no bargaining, in the sense like, okay, the he cannot charge more, or after visualizing the need of the consumer, like he cannot service provider cannot raise his uh, the service charges, right? So we as a consumer, as a user, I need such an authenticated platform where the their proven track, the experience, expertise, nobody can able to their all the credentials were already cross-checked, scope verified by the administrator of service on click, and we need to rely on them. The reason is the entire business of service on click depends on that authenticity. If it like and apart from that also, you have a as a user, I have an opportunity to review review that all the services. At the same time, I can provide my feedback, I can provide my ratings, and that can be viewed by the by the various consumers before offering the job to that particular service provider. At the same time, service provider point of view, I want to enhance my ratings, feedback, so that I can find out the good consumer base with using this platform. As an administrator, I can Yeah, on the service on click, one can view all the transactions, one can view all the feedbacks. He's a super user. He knows what job is posted. If there is any fake kind of profiles, obviously that will not be entertained. That will not be with a part of the service provider. Any time that administrator of service on click will keep the all the rights to terminate the services, at the same time allow the services as well. So it's 100% secure, authenticate platform. Axiom try to provide to the service providers, at the same time the users, so that they can get the services on time, reliable services, and secure financial transactions are there. It is available in the web and app versions. In the app versions, user have to just install the app on his mobile, and at the click away, he can he can register, get a OTP verified, and then he can ask for the services. And then, as I told you, the firstly call goes to the first five nearby service providers. If they're not accepted in a short span, then you go to the next level, go to the next level in this manner, unless and until that call, that job, that work, that problem definitions get accepted, the call goes to the call will be forwarding to the service provider, unless until it get accepted over there. And as a user, as I told you, you can view the profile of that service provider. You can contact to them, you can interact to them, you can negotiate on the things, and after cross verifying everything, then you can give the job offer, or that that particular problem definitions can be like, you can offer a job to that service provider, and you have to pay only when you find that the services are offered upfront. You have to not supposed to pay in the advance. Once you avail the services, once you cross verify everything, then you can pay it, right, on the, and that too on the, not by cash or something. Okay, you have to pay it by the online payment gateways integrated with the platform, so that it will be provided more security to it. And in this way the entire things, and then you can have a feedback ratings, right, given over there. At the same time, if you have any arbitrary, then you need to contact to the administrator. So it's a 24/7 service provision platforms. Again, I'm saying, okay, in a day-to-day life, we may need many services available, and at a quick moment. Okay, you never know at what situation, at what time you will be needing these all the services, as I told you. And this platform is not restricted for particular services. Any service provider who want to expand his horizon for the consumers, they can prove their authenticity, and able to provide the services. So because of this app version, okay, anyone can, it's a app provides the mobility. So you can ask for the services from any locations, and you'll it's a click away. You'll find able to find out the service providers, and able to avail the services over there. Hope you understand the importance of this particular solution given by Axiom. With Team Axiom, let us start a demonstration, so that you will come to know what exactly this platform serves, and how it's a great opportunity for the service providers and the users. At the same time, the secure, reliable platform is there, by which the authenticated services can be availed by the user. Over to Team Axiom.
Hello, friends. Thank you so much for being a part of the live stream. Today, I am here to explore about service on click. My name is Swapnil, and let's discuss on service on click. Hope so all you understood what the respected sir has explained you, how the product is working, what are the features of the product. So I'll just explain you. via the presentation. Okay, so our topic name is service on click. So this is the first why to choose service on click web application for the services. In this, imagine the frustration of dealing with a plumbing emergency late at night, struggling to find an electrician for a critical repair, or searching for an expert to service your vehicle. This common situation leads us to identify a significant gap in the service industry. So service on click is the answer of this dilemma. Dilemma means it is the problem, means in the when we are in the problem we need an answer. So this is the platform we can use for the resolving the issues of your. So we have precisely designed a platform that connects client seamlessly with a network of high skilled professional spanning various service categories, whether it is leaky faucet, malfunctioning electrical circuits, or routine car maintenance. We have to cover. Means we are providing all these services on the service on click web application. So about service on click, services by its very nature are to be prompt, efficient, and economical. This platform caters this objective using highly experienced localized manpower. As you can see in the image, this is the service provider page. In that, the service provider can add the details of that and send the request to the specific provider, means the specific service of your need. Then he will accept the request. The securities in this means if someone will request to a service provider for the electrician, so the nearest one will get the first notification. If he doesn't request it, means accept the request, then it will divert to the another person. Like this it will go. So moreover, this platform caters for day to day domestic needs for services of average household, making it a single destination solution provider for common domestic needs. So these are the services which can be provided by the service on click. There is plumbing service, electronic service, decoration service, canteen service, repairing service, car services. As you can see in the image, this is the front interaction page for the service on click. In this, the plumbing service, it means the the plumbing service are offered by the plumbers who specialized in the installation, maintenance, and the repair of the plumbing system. This includes working on pipes, drains, faucet, toilets, and the other plumbing fix to ensure water supply and drainage system function properly. So next is electronic services. In that, the services will be provided by the service on click. The users, the electronic service encompass the repair, maintenance, and the installation of the various electronic devices and the equipment. This can be include service related to television, computer, smartphones, home entertainment service, and other electronic gadgets. Technician or specialist in this field diagnose and fix issue with electronic devices such as hardware problems, software issues, or malfunctions. So next is the decoration service. In that, you will get the service that is typically referred to the services related to interior or exterior decoration. This can encompass a wide range of service such as interior design, home staging, landscaping, painting, and other services focuses on the enhancing the aesthetic of a space. And the next is the canteen service. In that, you can get the means generally we refers to the this service for a food service. In this, we will provide in a catering or canteen setting. This could be a school, workspace, or other institutes. Canteen service provides meals, snacks, and the beverage to employees, students, or the visitors. The next is the repairing service. In general, this is a broad category that encompasses various repair services, including appliances repair, electronics repair, home repair, and many more are there. This service involves fixing or restoring items that are broken or malfunctioning. So the next is the car service. In this, the car repairing service are offered by the automation, means the automotive repair shops or the garages. These services includes diagnosing or fixing issue with the automobiles such as engine repair, brake repair, oil change, tire replacement, and the general maintenance of the car service. So these are the few features of the service on click, and there are also many more features. So as per the requirement of the users and the feedbacks of the user, we can add that services on this portal. So first we'll go with the client's benefit. By using this service, it will save time, convenience to others, quality assurance, cost efficiency, reliability, 24/7 accessibility, satisfaction guarantee. In the first, we can save the time, save valuable time with our quick and the efficient service scheduling. Convenience means accessing multiple service with a single platform, eliminating the need to search for multiple providers. Quality assurance, enjoying peace of mind, knowing our experienced professionals deliver top-notch services. Cost efficiency, experience cost saving through competitive pricing and a transparent fee structure. Reliability, count on us for on-time arrival and the prompt service delivery. Also we are providing the 24/7 service, so access our service whenever you need them, day or night. Satisfaction guarantee, we are committed to your satisfaction. If you are not satisfied, we'll make it right. So the vision for the service on click is service on click it to be the go to the platform for anyone seeking for top notch services, where a few clicks or taps on your device can solve your service related challenges. So this was the simple explanation of the product. So now I will hand over to Mr. Sandeep for the demonstration. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you, Swapnil, for a very good elaboration of the service on click by using presentation. So I will demonstrate you the how this service on click platform will work. So I am sharing my screen. I hope my screen is visible to you all. So here, when we open the service on click website, so you will see this landing page, that from here you can request the services that immediately. But first of all, you have to sign up for that as a service seeker. So here, if you are service provider, so you can choose service provider. If you are service seeker, so you can select the user. So right now I'm demonstrating the user part. So here, if you're not logged in, so you are not registered, so you have to register first. So please sign up. After that, you have to fill your details here. So like I'm filling my detail here. The contact number you have to enter here. Make your strong password. Choose the city. Provide the addresses and agree the term and conditions and submit. So the you will receive a notification that uh, you got the OTP, and then you have to enter your OTP here. After submitting OTP, you have to log in first. So let's log in. That I have already logged in here. So enter your password. Simply login. After login, you will see the yes interface. From here, you can request a service that you want. Example. So here, courier service, fruit service, test service, food service, IT industry service, civil works if you want. So I will select the IT services. So from here, if you have software related things, so you can choose the software. If you have camera related problem, so you can select the camera, CCTV camera option. So I will select the PC hardware repair services. That let's assume that my PC is not working and my hard disk is broken and it is not loading properly. So I will choose the PC hardware and laptop repair. After that, I have to select the zone uh, from which zone you want services. So let from here I am selecting west side because I am living in the west side area. So service provider from the Nagpur West area get the notification that someone is seeking for the services. So who were near of that of me, so he will immediately respond to me. So first of all, you have to send the request. After sending request, you will receive a notification that you have successfully posted a request. So here multiple I already requested some different things, so this is my new one. So we request. So currently here there are 4 service provider. As it is a demo, so I am receiving 4 service provider. But if it is a real world, so you will get the many as many service provider here. So any of them will accept my request and provide me the services. So let's explore the service provider part. So here same things here. You have to sign up first as a service provider. So here you have to register yourself by using your details, like I have enter my name, my email, my contact number and alternate number. That as I already registered, so here's showing that I am already exist. So you have to select your shop type, that how you provide your service, like you are only a single one that as an individual you provide services, or you have a shop, or you have a company. So you can select any of them. So select city and in what area or in what zone you want to provide the service in your city. So you have to select from in zone input fields, then address you have to enter, then you have to enter pin code, then you have to enter your password, create a strong password for that. Then if you have GST number, so you can enter your GST. According to that, uh, the GST percentage will automatically add to your service invoices, service invoice. So if you don't have GST number, so you don't need to enter GST number. If you have, then you can include GST number. So you have to provide your ID proof or any certification that you are really a service provider. You have to upload your image, then agree, and then submit. After submitting, again you will receive a OTP, and after entering OTP, you successfully register. After that, you have to log in. I will log in here. So here, this is my dashboard of that as I am a service provider. So this is dashboard for me. One thing, there is one more thing that let me. So here, look here. What happened when you log in? So it will say that you are not active yet. Why? Because the our team or service on click team will verify that you are a legal service provider, that they will verify everything that you have provided, like your details, you are really a service provider, that you have any certification on that or not, that you have uploaded in at the time of registration. So let's log in again. As I at the first time your service is blocked by the admin. So see, your service is blocked, please contact from team, because uh, the service on click team have to be verify you first, then they will active your account, that you are really a service provider. In this way, in this way uh, what we can say, the real people will come here, the fake people we are, if any fake people will come here as a service provider, so uh, we will cross verify them, then we will active their account. So in this way the security of the website is also remain maintained. So let's unblock that person. So I had to log as a login. So this is a service on click team related part. So they will manage the services of user or the service provider. So simply when I unblock, so I am, the notification will send to the service provider email, and he will get he will ready to use the or provide the services. So just enter your credential and log into the website. So here, as you see, this is a dashboard for service provider. He will see that there is a service requested, and who requested or who is not requested here. So this see here is two new requests come over here. So let's assume that I am very near to the that service seeker who seeking for the service, that he want so laptop some he want to repair their PC or laptop. So he requested. So I assume that I am first person that near to him. So I will reject. Let's assume I will reject, or I did not respond. So what happened after some time? The request automatically sent to the next near person. So the request still here, and their new person also. So if he not accept, then the request go to the next service provider. In this way, as soon as possible, the service requested by the service seeker, so he will get the immediately response. So let's accept the request. After that, you can see from here that what is the detail of that person, that he is Sandeep, the service seeker name is Sandeep Mahato, and here it is his address, and here is contact details. He can directly contact by using that I have accepted your request, or he can chat from here that what problem you have. After knowing the problem, he will send a quotation, or he directly visit to him that what is the by using the this address. and send him the quotation that work detail is your hard disk is corrupted. So he require new hard disk. So amount would let's assume 2,500 rupees. Send. As he send quotation, so user will receive the notification. As you see here, notification. So I have to log in first again. As I requested my service, so status is accepted. So you view your request. So the service request accepted by me, as I am a user also and as I am service provider also. So here quotation is here. So the hard disk replacement price is 2,500. So if he agree, so he can chat from here that I am agree. You can provide me service. So the service provider will go to their location and provide the service and repair everything, and he will provide the invoice that how much amount final amount is occur. So item name is hard disk. So see here, he will add the particulars, means what he repaired as a service provider. So the item repaired is hard disk. Detail that I replaced that. There I have replaced only one hard disk. Amount was 2,500 rupees. I am giving him 5% discount. So if you entered GST at the time of registration, so the GST will automatically added here. Otherwise, GST will be 0. So as I send him invoice, so the service seeker will see the invoice from here. So it will see the invoice. Okay, let's send the invoice. Yeah, the what mistake what happened that I didn't send the invoice. So I created invoice and didn't send. So I have sent now. So he will receive the invoice. So here he will down see the invoices as I download the invoice. So here after giving 5%, so total amount is 2,375 rupees. The user have to pay. So let's go in the user part again. Let's see. As service seeker is in his own house where he repaired the things that hard disks or their PC, so he will make the payment. So the payment is how the user will make payment. So service seeker have to provide the mode of payment to the user or to the service seeker who get the benefit from this service provider. So if a user have payment gateway like my mistake, so if user want to pay online, so there is a multiple option that he will pay by using payment gateway, by using Google Pay, Paytm, Phone Pay, credit cards. So he will choose other. So you service provider had to provide the mode of payment to the this option provided by the service provider. If a user will pay the cash, so he have to update here that he received cash. As you see here, 2,375 user have to pay. What happened if user service seeker say that service provider will say that give me this amount, I will work. So in this way it is not work because he already sent the invoice before performing the repairing. So in this way he cannot malfunction with the system. So simply here make payment. Here the user will provide the mode of payment, then assume that he will give the cash. The payment is made successfully. After that, he will come from their home. And what about the how the service on click will earn? So here that service provider got 275 rupees. So some amount, some percentage of amount will be deducted by the admin. As you see here, yeah, admin commission. So how the admin commission will get? So service provider got this much amount. So admin also know that he received this much amount because he make the payment. So see here, he had to go in account that the admin commission is 207 rupees. So let's go in the admin part. So in accounting, he also will see here, he have to receive from total amount he have to receive from this service provider at 2,059 because he already repaired previously. Previously he also repaired something like here 52 rupees, 238 rupees for the admin. So he the service provider had to make the payment. So here this amount he had to pay, add payment as a commission for the admin or service provider to the service provider platform. The total amount to be paid is 238. He will do the bank transfer. He can perform Google Pay. Or he can perform any mode of payment. So currently this system is offline. So I am choosing the cash. So payment is successfully done and the commission of the admin is sent to the admin. In this way, this system will work. So admin will also get some money, service provider will also get some money, and service seeker also benefit with this service on click project. So hope you all have understood this platform, how this platform is work. So you can see as admin, he will manage the services, manage sub services, and as a service provider, he also manage his service. How if he want to add more service as in start, he just repairing the he have just a repairing services. But what happened, he want to open new service, like he also provide the software services like installation something more. That there is one company that provides software solutions, so he can also register here and provide the services to their clients. So in this way, the service provider can manage their service from here. The service as you already see in a start that Swapnil Kantilwa has told you that how many service we you can get from this platform. If you have any query related to this service on Click platform, you can ask me in chat box. Okay, so thank you.
Hey, thank you, Sandeep. Swapnil and Sandeep, you did a great job to give us the idea how the service on click platforms works. It's a wonderful elaboration for all of us to know the platform functionality. My request is to all investors, if you want to own this platform, own this application, do let us know. Axiom TechGuru will provide you the entire technical support 24/7. We can customize this as per your requirement. The motive behind developing this platform is to provide uh, a support to the small service providers, at the same time to provide the every, it's a win-win for all, right? For the user, they are getting services on click, right? The click away. And for the small service provider, they can expand their horizon for service size, and they can find a new client base over here. So if any investor is interested, they can own this platform. We have to just like by providing your annual maintenance contract, Axiom TechGuru will able to provide you all the services, right? And make, and this platform can be owned by you. If you have any kind of another way to to establish the business regarding, or you want to own this platform, just do let us know. All queries we can resolve, and you can start your business as well. Regarding technical support, regarding all the platform maintenance and all, Axiom TechGuru is responsible for that. So I hope you guys, everyone, right from the technical team as well as the investors, come to know about this platform. And as I said, this is demonstrations. If you can, whatever updates you required, my team is going to update that, and we'll make this platform available to you, and you can start earning and start providing services to the users over there. Thank you very much, guys. Hope you enjoy this elaboration or the explanations of the this platform. If you have any further queries, do let us know. Thank you. Have a good day.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.